back, everyone. Mudford here. We're on the trip now from Great Bend, Kansas to Pueblo, Colorado. Lots of farm fields. Cruising right along. For us, it's not a big deal. We're in the 170s for engine coolant temp. Getting some good gas mileage. I know it's probably flickering on. It says we're getting 30.3 miles to the gallon on E85, which I don't know if I believe it, but I know it's doing pretty good. We got the AC going. Feels great. Cruising right along at about 65 miles an hour. We're following a GTO, and then in front of them is the Jeep.
Just saw somebody broke down, so we're going back to help them.
We just stopped. There's a pretty sweet Buick here, turbo car that's overheating a little bit. So everybody just kind of stopped to make sure he was okay. It is a pretty hot day today already.
People are people.
The making of an air dam. Just attempted to make it one.
Yeah, that's still large enough. Hey, I'm plugging in your fan as well, just so it's while we think about it.
Yeah, you can just flip the ignition over and make sure it should be.
Yeah, it seems to match clicked. Clear?
There they go. Because it's got Gen 4 rods, so it should hold up okay.
Power is there. This is like your first minute with this car? Mm-hmm. Okay, so just walk in, get a sticker on there.
Whatever.
Right AMS on it.
Right, whatever. So you on AMS?
Yeah.
Oh, well, hell, that's cool.
Look at that. You got a splitter base right now? Look at that.
Heck yeah. Tony, get some black spray paint. You can still have the car.
You guys getting along all right? Everyone else?
We haven't made it too far.
Made it too far, right? We actually ain't done a whole lot yet, so.
So far, so good though.
Yeah, thanks. Try and keep it that way, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right, hey, we appreciate it. You guys have a good one.
You too.
Probably be seeing you down the road.
Well, hopefully it'll be to get like lunch or something.
Yeah, right.
Nuts. Jam it and tighten it from this side. Yeah. Do you have an assortment or anything?
Nuts?
Yeah. For a washer?
I don't. I do have a 3-inch V-band, but it's gonna have way bigger nuts than that.
Oh, yeah.
That wide. And then it's also got the intercooler obviously down there, or the heat exchanger down there. And then there's a air to water intercooler tucked in the bumper right here. You can kind of see it through the fog light. So that's where these turbo pipes are going to.
Oh.
And so then that's why there's
You got a lot of stuff
heater
packed
hose
in
going
there.
everywhere. And so if I need to, I cut out the space behind the license plate. So there's just a giant hole in the bumper there.
Oh, so you can, yeah.
So if I need to, I'll just pop the license plate off.
Yeah, good idea. Holy you run.
That's a 2.7.
Wow.
That thing is sweet. That's a car I would own someday. There's a lot of like the supercar class cars that I'm just not very interested in. That thing's cool. I went ahead and installed my boost controller for the wastegate and everything, so now I can start turning up the power. So
Yeah, that'll be perfect for Pueblo because you'll have a little more elevation. You'll want a little bit more, right?
Yeah, I'm not too concerned about. I mean, turning in a 13.3, the people who will win the class are gonna go like 13.05. So
Yesterday, I put on something like 4 times and it still isn't great.
man, I love the color on that.
Yeah, we were moving. Running a little hot.
What did it run yesterday?
Only like 11:08. I'm still trying to figure the car out. Just built it.
Just telling him to watch out for your hood.
Oh yeah, I know, right?
He was looking at flashing, looking at your car.
Yeah.
Maybe he was gonna step on
Making
it.
some videos.
Yep.
Yeah.